The Protrack milking screen can be customized to suit the task you're performing or seasonal variations. Let's have a look at how to do this. Menu, Settings, Milking Layout. As you can see, there's already a layout set up. This is the default layout. I could edit that by clicking the pencil icon, or I could start with a new layout. First step asks us if we want to start with the default layout, and we can just add to that, or we can start with a blank canvas, which is what I'm going to do. These are the different things we can adjust in the layout: name and position, alerts, columns, and quick events. Let's start with the name and position. Firstly, the name, let's call this cups on. Watching position is position 3, which is what I want for cups on. Let's take a look at alerts. There are no alerts currently selected. Let's pick a few of those. Now, for a cups on layout, I want to be alerted to animals that shouldn't be in the milking mob. Colostrum cow, treatment, milk withholding, dry cow. Obviously I can pick more of these if I want to be alerted to more of them, but I'm just going to pick those 4 for now. Now you can see the 4 that we've chosen have come through to our layout. It's important that you get the hierarchy correct. I want treatment to be the most important. So if an animal came through and it was in 2 of these different areas, the color would show for the highest position. So let's push treatment to the top. And colostrum cow, let's take that to the bottom. Now that's the hierarchy set if an animal has multiple alerts on it. Let's go to columns. Let's start selecting some columns. Alerts, so this will add a column that'll tell us what the alert's called. Let's also look at adding milk solids and SCC I'm interested in, and that'll do for now. Let's go to quick events. Now these are the buttons that will appear on the right hand action bar. Let's add quick event. Probably just going to want to add a few health events here. Mastolone 3 tubes, Orbanin 5 tubes, Orbanin 3 tubes. That'll do for now. Now I've got a layout all set up. I hit save. And then I have to make sure that I'm using this layout I just created. So it was on the default layout. Make sure you select cups on. And then we can go to the milking screen. Now you can see the columns have been added: alerts, milk solids, SCC. Obviously you could add a few more. The colored alerts are showing up. A dry cow has just come in. The watching position is set to 3. And the buttons that I added, the quick events, are over here on the action bar.